People often don't realize that Arabic is like a beautifully interconnected family, built on families of words sharing the same roots. Each three-letter root acts as a parent, creating a range of family members with the same core meaning. For instance, the root kaf, ta, and ba produces words like write, book, and library, all tied to the idea of writing. Arabic words carry layers almost like a hidden code, with each root linking to a shared soul throughout the language. Its rhythms and still sound unmoved unless guided by a vowel, giving it a smooth flowing quality. Rich and flexible, Arabic is endlessly expressive, inspiring countless dialects and a tradition of poetic beauty.